Hi Chain Canners! Today's video is going to be about how to make your iPhone do extra things like take a screenshot by double tapping on the back of your phone and a number of other elements that you might like to do. I love the double tap on the back of my iPhone because I find that when you hit the power button and the volume button at the same time, sometimes it just locks your phone and there's nothing more frustrating. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to go to settings. And then we're going to go down and you're going to choose accessibility. And under accessibility, you're going to find touch, just like that. And then there's going to be all kinds of other options. But what I like to do is you're going to click back tap on the back of the iPhone. So when you do that now, if I want to take a picture, I just go and it's taking a screenshot. It's so easy and so wonderful, and this is something that has always frustrated me when I hit that lock button, so I'm so happy to share that with you. You know what to do. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments below what you'd like me to train you on. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day. Take care.